Good morning everyone, my name is Maricar O. Kabatik and I am here to tackle the role of ethics in communication and the ethical communication. Ethical communication fosters implicit trust that the information is accurate. People receiving the communication should also be able to trust that all the information is coming directly from the person or organization communicating it. An ethical communicator readily discloses any conflict of interest too. The role of ethics in communication is to maintain our credibility and reputation, to present a fair and accurate argument of our thesis, to provide facts with integrity and without deception or distortion, to abide by shared or common moral values and beliefs. We must be truthful and honest. We must have active listening. We must speak non-judgmentally and we must consider our own experience. We must strive to understand and avoid negative tone. From those principles, we must have a good and positive communication within others. Ethics helps us to make decisions that create positive impacts and steering us away from unjust outcomes. It guides us to make the world a better place through the choices we make. Ethics in business is just as important as ethics in personal life. Ethics is a system of principles that helps us to tell right from wrong and good from bad. It can give real and practical guidance to our lives, and we must constantly face choices that affect the quality of our personal life. We must aware that the choices that we make have consequences both for ourselves and others. Ethical communication enhances human worth and dignity by fostering truthfulness, fairness, responsibility, personal integrity, and respect for selves and others. In communication, we must be aware on the words we are talking, especially when we are being too harsh every time we are communicating. So, ethics may help us a lot by knowing such guidelines that we must apply specifically in communication. We can't live if we have no communication because it helps us to communicate and socialize with others using our mouth to speak and our body by gesture. When we are communicating, we are exchanging thoughts and opinion, and from that, we can gain so much knowledge and we can build a solid decision. In communicating, we must consider to be a good communicator who has a good intention while speaking because that is the essential thing we must possess. Once we communicate to other people, we should also consider their suggestion and opinion. In addition, we need to use words that are easy to understand and avoid repetitive words. And lastly, we must put feelings and emotion while speaking so that it will lead to a good communication or interaction within you and others. That is the speech of mine about the role of ethics and the ethical communication. Once again, thank you for listening. God bless us all.